Sanibona bafethu uVanel. So igame elandelayo for iBafana Bafana bayodlala against iLesotho. Le game le boyidlala eFree State Stadium. Bazoyibedla khona la eSouth Africa. iLesotho ayinaso istadium ezosebenzisa to host this game. As iFIFA iyile khona yabheka istadium abangayisebenzisa. Banaso istadium abangayisebenzisa so far. So bayosebenzisa istadium sakhona la eSouth Africa, which is a huge win for iSouth Africa because ama-fans eBafana Bafana azobefikile lapho ngobuningi ezobheka eBafana Bafana njengoba izodlala i-2026 FIFA World Cup, not Club World Cup. FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Menikhumbula kahle ngoDisemba ilapho khona bezowenza i-live draw lapho khona kuzoba khona ama-team aqualifyile azodlala next year ku-World Cup. So iBafana Bafana ngempela kumele iwine le match le. Njengoba nje futhi beyidlala home, so 2 games kule international break kuzobe ile game eLesotho base ukuthi next week ngoLwesibili badlale against iNigeria in the same stadium. Kuzobe kuyigame emnandi ngempela isimanga ngingawakhohlwa yala games. So la ngizoshayela na prediction mase ngithola ithuba abadlali mina engabasetha. Na ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi ungasetha bahle babadlali ibapha abadlali wena ongababeka ngokwakho. Yabo, it's a huge and hard thing to do. I don't wanna lie, ngosikhathi ngisetha le scheme this nami ngiqale ngayiquestiona ngempela kumele yini ngibaqalise labadlali. So kubaqalisa kwami labadlali, I'll select them based on their performances, izinto engiyibonile so far njengoba kuza kule game lesoyidlala against iLesotho. Maybe abanye babo ngizoba resta for igame eNigeria, but uzosibona wena isquad engosisetha. Na ungangitshela ngesakho ungasisetha, ungibhalela ama comments, ungasigxeka kakhulu esami but ungitshele why wena ungadlalisa leso. Ngiqale kwi-goalkeeping position. Goalkeeping position, I don't think kumele siyelena le bafethu ukhona uRonan Williams. Umshintsho wakhe uRonan Williams mhlambe singamfaka uSipho Chain mhlawumbe, but for me I think ukustart uRonan Williams is to be on the safe side. I don't want to complicate izinto eziningi bafethu. He is the number 1 goalkeeper weBafana Bafana. Ngeke kushintshe lokho noma singafavor amanye ama club, but he is the number 1 goalkeeper weBafana Bafana. So epalini ngaqalisa bafethu uRonan Williams. He is the captain. He knows how to lead iBafana Bafana. For me umjida ngiyamthemba kakhulu, so yena ngamqalisa. Ungangitshela ama comments wala ngokwakho ungaqalisa by epalini. Mase ukuthi the center back pairing, but for me I would start uMbokazi benongezana. The reason why I'm starting uMbokazi bafethu, uMbokazi so far ku-Betway Premiership he has been one of the best defenders. Engiwawutshela wona ukuthi angasirepresenta lapha mase sodlala iWorld Cup, asirepresenta njengoba sodlala ama-qualifiers. I don't think ukhona umdlalo ongadlula lula kuyena umjida. Mhlambe ke sengaba kuvalo. I think sengaba uvalo ukuthi umjida uzoshaya uvalo, but I don't think uMbokazi umdlalo kanjalo. Ngijayele ngimbone etatazela uMbokazi. Angifisi ukubona into kanjalo ayotatazela at the big stage. This is a big stage. uHugo Broos umlande ngoba emthemba, bekumele udlala ku-Under 20 World Cup, umlande nje ngoba emthemba. I think umjida uzosebenzisana kakhulu noNgezana. Yes, last time when we played umjida he was shaky, but ke I trust him right now uNgezana bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle uNgezana udlala le phesheya bafethu iclub yaseRomania, so umjida uyisithenjwa ngempela. Uyadlala. I saw him playing last season and this season so far umjida uyadlala kahle, so ngingamthemba mfethu uNgezana ukuthi asebenzisana kakhulu noMbokazi. Wangitshela wona ama comments, yes bengamkhetha bafethu uThabo Moleisane. I think uMoleisane, yabo, for me if uNgezana akayiqali le game bengamqalisa uThabo Moleisane, but wangitshela wona ama comments yipi center back pairing ongayisebenzisa. Abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi umjida uMbokazi angashawa i-height, but remember guys, we are playing against iLesotho. Like, this is not Nigeria. This is the first game of international break. This is the first game, so we need to 3 points la. We need to be secure at the back. So Mbokazi for me, he's the right guy. I don't think iLesotho ngasinikeza ama-threats amaningi ngaleyo ndlela. Imost abadlali beLesotho badlala khona la eSouth Africa, and imost yalabo badlali lawo badlala kuma-team amancane. Yabo, I know nje ugoalkeeper weLesotho, I think uvimbele Obed College if I'm not mistaken, but ungacomment lapho ma comments ungitshele mengi-wrong. Mase kuthi kuma-wingbacks bafethu currently iBafana Bafana ayikho mnandi kuma-wingbacks esinawo, but ke these guys abakhona right now, I trust them to deliver the job. Sibelebele ku-Orlando Pirates, he plays as a right back, ubuye adlale umjida as a winger, but ke ucoach we-Orlando Pirates so far uyamtrust as a winger. Umjida uyakwazi ukuoverlapha aye phambili at ama-numbers phambili, yabo. So I trust for uSibelebele to deliver and do that job in that right back position. Remember phela bafethu uMorena akekho, uTapelo Morena njengoba engekho, so we need a player We need a player to play that position. Akekho bafethu umdawu. Njobe engekho nje umdawu who is going to play that position. For me uSibelebele, I think he's a perfect choice for le game lesiyoyidlala against iLesotho. Uyakwazi umjidi overlapper, uyakwazi ukubuya back azosiza a defend. Umdlalo esomdlalisa ngewinga lapha uma engadlali kahle sokwazi usimphushe uSibelebele ayodlala phambili, sifake umdlalo ozoshintshisana naye la. Maybe sifake umdunyelwa azokwazi ukuthi edama numbers la umdunyelwa emuva defend uSibelebele aye phambili ayodlala esiwinga. Mase ukuthi la at the back left back bafethu engayiqalisa mina left wing back ngaqalisa uModiba even though engadlali kahle kweMamelodi Sundowns, which is a shocker. Mamelodi Sundowns yasayina uBasadini ukuze izoreplace uModiba. iSundowns yasayina uBasadini ukuze izoreplace lo mjida. Hugo Bros wayemdlalisa ubani uFawaz Basadini kule position. Njengoba nje uFawaz Basadini engayithola igame time kweMamelodi Sundowns, uModiba uyena ulandiwe wafethu. Ngazi noma nyangizwa yini. uModiba uyena uzodlala leya position. uFawaz Basadini waya kwiSundowns ukuze ezoreplace lo mjida. Yabona kodwa inkinga esisalele. uBasadini angabizwanga kuzobizwa uModiba, umuntu ongadlali kahle vele currently kweMamelodi Sundowns. But ke I vouch for uModiba wafethu. umjida when he plays for iBafana Bafana, he puts his all. Yabo, he put his all. Uyakwazi ngempela umjida uyicarrisha leya position. I trust uModiba ukuthi uzodlala kahle kuleya left back position. Uyakwazi sho nokoverlap phambili. So umjida I vouch for him. Even uMbokazi uzokwazi umkhavela uma esehamba kakhulu ephezulu. So iyona for me back four lesingayisebenzisa against iLesotho. Ngantshelwa ni back four yakho, for me this is the back four. Mbokazi, Ngezana, Sibelebele and Modiba. It is not tough. It is not strong, but it will give us points because you got these two guys at the back who are strong, who are physical, who are very dominant, who know how to use their feet. Mbokazi with his energetic legs uyakwazi umjida ukuthi ashaya ama long ball aye kuma wingers lapha athole lawo ma spaces behind the defense and create chances up front. So for me late back four lezo sinikeza something. We have two left wing backs, we have two wing backs who know how to go up front, who know how to add numbers up front. So I think late back four izosebenzela. Masukuthi eswini ke bafethu, there are lots of rumors circulating around this match between iBafana Bafana and iLesotho. Today kuphuma umbiko regarding le ndaba le. Le ndaba leLesotho kuthiwa izokhipha icala iye kwiFIFA iyocomplaina ngokudlaliswa koMokoena. So kungaba nzima impela for iBafana Bafana simdlalise uMokoena. So I think kule game le kumele simdlalise uMbatha beno-Obasi. If you remember last game when we played, I think we played against iBenin if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, because iLesotho yayisiveva. So we played with uMbatha with uObasi and abajida badlalela kamnandi. Yabo, badlala kamnandi ngempela. Sakwazi siwuthola u3 points kulo game. So nakule game le I think abajida bazokwazi ukusebenzisana kuba u2 bayakwazi ucomplementana indlela abadlala ngakhona. So I trust these two guys to give us their 10 out of 10. Ungangitshela wona ama comments oba kumele sibadlalise eswini, but for me kumele simreste uMokoena for igame iBafana Bafana, and kule game le soyidlala against iLesotho we must feel these two guys. Mase ukuthi ngama-wingers bafethu controversial, but ke ungangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho imapha ama-wingers owangawakhetha. But for me right winger yami engayidlalisa bafethu uMohankota, the former Orlando Pirates winger esedlala le Saudi Arabia right now. umjida uyena winger currently kuBafana Bafana engayivoucher ukuthi idlale against iLesotho. Ungangitshela ama comments which winger that we can play. We don't have right now currently squad seBafana Bafana lacks quality. Yabo, I'm not saying uMohankota bafethu akasi. I'm not saying uNkota asiyoni quality. uNkota bafethu uyi-quality. The guy is quality, but when you look at the players we're going to play against, when you look at the team, when you look at Nigeria team tough kakhulu. I don't know if umjida akwazi nokusicarry, akwazi nokuyidlala kahle leya position, akwazi ukushaya iNigeria. But ke I trust the boy to play kahle. Ungangitshela wona ama comments uba ungamdlalisa esi right wing. Zaka left wing ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu bafethu, you know Oswina Police Orlando Pirates udlala esi left winger. NakuBafana Bafana vele bedlala esi left wing. Mase kuthi lapha ku number 10 position, I don't want to speak a lot. Mfukeng, you know the guy. Up front we have Lyle Foster bafethu. For me Lyle Foster, I'm not a big fan, but I trust him to represent us. This is the lineup of Vananga Cat.